How to see your password on Roblox. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can see your password on Roblox. So without further delay, let's get started. If you are already logged into Roblox and if you're wondering if you could see your password, but unfortunately Roblox does not allow users to view their current password due to some security reasons. However, you can change your password. So if you are currently logged into Roblox, in order to change your password, once you are here in your home page, navigate to the bottom right corner, tap on more. So once you're here, now you have to go to the settings and then tap on account info. So once you're under your account info, there's an option as a password. To change your password, tap on this pencil icon next to that password. Now you have to enter your current password and then change your password to a new password. But in case if you forgot your current password, then you have to log out of your account in order to recover your password. So from here, head back to the settings or the main page, and once you're here under the more, scroll down and here tap on logout and then again tap on logout. So once you're logged out, now you could recover and change your password. Once you're here, tap on sign in. Then tap on this option or the link that says forgot password or username. Then it will ask you to enter your email. So provide the email that is associated with your account. Then tap on submit. Here it says an email with instructions has been sent to you if the email was previously saved on your account. Then you have to open up the inbox. So go back to Gmail and check an email from the Roblox, and after you find an email there, you'll have a link to reset your password. Tap on it and then reset your or change a new password. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.